Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Oklo. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of July, 2025, our system has ranked Oklo as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.47. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 39.11% since we first listed Oklo as a buy candidate just 15 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.61% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 92.63% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 59.49% and 127.75%. In terms of long-term prospects, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 184.9%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 33.23% to 194.67% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price range between $99.38 and $219.80. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline, Significant Movements in Oklo Inc. Stock Price on Thursday, fluctuating by 17.23% between high and low. The Oklo Inc. stock price increased by 11.38% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, July 24, 2025, rising from $66.97 to $74.59. During that trading day, the stock experienced the fluctuation of 17.23%, ranging from a low of $65.81 to a high of $77.15. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and has shown an overall increase of 34.52% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 7 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 40 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $3 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $77.15, while the lowest was $5.35. Currently, the price is 3.32%, or $2.56, higher, below the 52-week high of $77.15, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Oklo's stock has recently reached significant milestones, climbing to $75 amid a surge in trading volume, which increased to 27 million shares compared to an average of 20.4 million. This upward momentum is partly fueled by a series of strategic partnerships that promise to enhance the company's market position. Notably, Oklo has partnered with Liberty Energy to integrate power solutions that combine Oklo's nuclear capabilities with Liberty's natural gas expertise, targeting the growing energy demands of high-performance data centers, particularly those involved in artificial intelligence. The announcement of this strategic alliance contributed to a remarkable 15% increase in stock value just days ago. Furthermore, Oklo is also collaborating with Vertiv to create advanced power and heat management solutions for data centers, further solidifying its role in the rapidly evolving digital infrastructure landscape. As these partnerships aim to provide innovative energy solutions, they not only boost investor confidence, but also position Oklo at the forefront of nuclear energy's resurgence. This strong collaboration could lead to sustained growth in the short term and potentially higher valuations in the long term, particularly as interest in nuclear energy continues to rise amidst increasing demand for reliable power sources. While the stock's current climb to an all-time high showcases investor optimism, It is also essential to consider Oklo's early-stage position in the market. Investors aware of the company's cash burn and revenue generation lag should keep a close eye on future developments as Oklo strives to secure its foothold in the energy sector amid a supportive backdrop for clean energy solutions. Analyst ratings. On Sunday, the 20th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Oklo an overweight rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Oklo a hold rating with an initialize action. On Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned Oklo a hold rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Oklo an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The chart today reveals mostly positive signals. The Oklo Inc. stock is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $66.56 and $58.77. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 45.31%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 43 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $68.03 and $66.97. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, it may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Oklo Inc. encounters support just below today's level at $68.03. If this support fails, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $66.97 and $64.48. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $11.34 between its high and low, translating to a change of 17.23%. For the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 11.34%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. It's not uncommon for even well-established companies to go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of August, 2025. Analysts are projecting a consensus estimate of negative 12 cents. It is important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $68.03. If this support level holds, it could be an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by DeWitt Jacob, who bought and sold 410,464 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of nearly 20. In total, insiders purchased 73,711,220 shares and sold 34,987,339 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $71.96, indicating a decline of 3.52%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Oklo Inc. holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, July 25th, we expect Oklo to open lower by $2.07 and start trading at $72.52. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.